magic monk, Eddie the magic monk, Eddie the magic monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. I'm doing a review on a Blue Yeti microphone. So a Yeti mic, I've heard so much about it, but it's been out for a while. So this was only about $155 Australian, so probably just a bit more than $100 in American dollars. So not too expensive. Compared to some of the mics that I've got before, it's probably a lot cheaper actually. So let's open it up and have a look. Alright, so start off with a USB cable. Oh, so what is this? This is just a user manual. It's a manual, lots of stuff in there. Wow, it's a lot taller than I thought. Yeah, it's actually really tall. So I just want to compare that with my Razer Seiren. So it's actually about the same height, if you have a look. About the same height. So how tall are they? About 29 centimeters. 29 centimeters tall. So we have mute button, mute the mic, volume button, but that says headphones if you want to plug headphones in. I don't do that. Gain, so I guess if you want to turn it up louder or whatever. Anti-clockwise is decreasing. So if you go this way, it decreases the gain. Okay, that's a decrease. So this would be increasing the gain. And the pickup patterns. So I usually go cardioid or whatever you say it. So that one. Hey guys, I've currently got the Blue Yeti sitting in front of me on my desk, and this is what it sounds like. Feel free to let me know whether you like it, and I'm now going to put on the Razer Seiren. Hey guys, so this is now the Razer Seiren sitting in front of me, about the same distance away as the Blue Yeti. Feel free to let me know which one you like better. So one last try with the Blue Yeti in front of me. Feel free to compare the sound. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.